2. Tutok sa target. 3. Poster. Kaya ko isang board book, ah.
Sige.
1. Wala pa. 1.
Range day with Patrolman Bilyosero. Buddy, pag ready ka na, insert magazine. Draw pistol, insert magazine. Load, make ready. Poster. Double tap, ha. Transition na. Bahala ka na kung saan magsisimula, right or left. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Up. Mag-hesitate. Sige. Sige. Pero okay lang, holster. Atras ka. Fire when you're ready. Holster. Throw your pistol. Fire when you're ready. Up. If you finish, release magazine. Show me clear. Slide down. Hammer down. Holster. Pumasok sa board. Ang inaano natin dito yung ano eh. Yung reflexes mo eh. Yung kung paano ka mag-react sa pistol ba. Eh pumasok naman sa board eh. O ilang bala yun? 8 ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7, 8, 9, 10. Pasok. Oh. Good.